अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं आलू मटर का पुलाव विथ बॉइल्ड एग्स। दिस इज़ अ वन पॉट डिश। बस रायता इसके साथ काफ़ी है, और यू कैन फ्राई पापड्स एज वेल। गोज़ वेरी वेल फॉर टिफ़िन बॉक्सेस। आसान है बनाना, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। In a pressure pan, add 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 to 3 cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon or एक tejpata, that is bay leaf. Saute for a few seconds and then add 2 onions finely sliced. अब इसको golden brown होने तक saute करिए. While the onions are getting fried, boil 5 eggs, shell and add slits to the eggs and keep them aside. Keep a pan on the stove, a fry pan. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes slightly warm, add half a teaspoon of chilli powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon salt, and mix well. Keep the flame on very low. Now add 5 eggs, boiled and peeled. Don't forget to add slits on the eggs so that the masala enters them, and saute for 2 minutes till the eggs become a light brown. Don't forget to stir the onions in between. Now switch off the flame and keep them aside. Let's get back to the onions. The onions are nice and golden brown. Now let's add the ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste. Sprinkle a little water and saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. And once that is done, add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. This is for the rice as well. And saute well. Add a few drops of water if necessary. Now add 2 tomatoes finely chopped and saute till the tomatoes become soft and the oil leaves the sides. Add 2 potatoes. Cut them however you want. I've cut them into 4. And a bowl of fresh peas. Continue sauteing. Add a teaspoon of kasuri methi and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Keep sauteing. Add a few coriander leaves as well and saute for at least 5 minutes. Add 4 to 5 teaspoons of curd and continue sauteing. Now add 2 green chillies slit. Mix well and add 3 glasses of water. This is for 2 glasses of rice, that is around 500 grams of rice, half a kg of rice. You can use zeera rice, basmati rice, sona masoori rice, your daily rice. Mix well. Add water. Once the water starts to boil, add the rice and pressure cook for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, let the pressure cool down on its own. Once done, open and mix the rice with a light hand. Do not let the grains break. Now add the fried eggs along with its oil and masala. Cover the eggs with the rice, cooked rice. Cover the pressure cooker lid and let it rest till it's time to serve. Matar Aloo Pulao with boiled eggs is now ready to serve. It goes very well with raita and papad or pickle. One dish goes very well for lunch tiffin boxes. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.